Morning one and all. I B Swapna, TSWRDC certificate, working in TSWRDC certificate. Today we will discuss about limit of the sequence. So today we will discuss about the topic limit of the sequence. First I am considering a sequence Sn. I am taking as 1 by n square. What are the terms of this sequence? Terms of the sequence. Start substituting the values of n. First you put n equal to 1, you get 1 by 1 square, n value 2, 1 by 2 square, n value 3, 1 by 3 square, n value 4, 1 by 4 square, so on. So what are these values? 1 by 1 square means 1. 1 by 2 square, it is 1 by 4, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 9, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 16, so on. So what happens? This is the first term of the sequence S1, S2 is 1 by 4, S3 is 1 by 9, S4 is 1 by 16, so on. Now what happens if Sn, as we take n value some 100, n value 100. So what is the term of the sequence becomes? S100 will be 1 by 100 square, that will be 1 by 10,000. So it will be 0.00001. Okay. Now what is happening when you observe here, as I am increasing the value of n, the Sn values are becoming very less. Suppose here I have taken n value 100. When I substitute n value 100, S100 is becoming 0.00001. This 0.00001 is nearer to 0, but it will not be 0. There is no difference. There is a negligible difference between 0 and this 0.00001. So what we are observing here is, as n values are increasing, these Sn values are tending to 0. Tending to 0, that means they will not be 0, the term will not be 0, it will be approaching to 0. Suppose if you take n value 1000, so here S1000 will be 1 by 1000 square, that is also very negligible, 6 zeros 1, 6 zeros 1, it is also, actually there is no, there is a negligible difference between 0 and 0.00601. So what I am trying to say here is, as n values are increasing, these Sn values are tending to 0. These Sn values are tending to 0. So here what I am saying is, as n is becoming large, the difference between, so here we are getting 0. Now this 0 I am calling it as limit of a sequence. This 0 I am calling as limit of a sequence. And otherwise the sequence is also called as convergent sequence. So here I am taking the large value of n. Large value of n I am taking as some capital N. The difference, the negligible difference, the difference I am taking as epsilon. The difference I am taking as epsilon, and the limit value I am denoting it by S. So I want to define, so if Sn is a sequence, then Sn is said to be converging to a limit L if for n greater than capital N, there exists epsilon greater than 0 such that modulus of Sn minus S will be less than epsilon. So here the large value, something like n equal to 1000 will be your capital N here. Some n equal to 1000. That means after 1000 the difference between Sn and the limit value. Limit value I am calling as S. So epsilon will be what here, our difference. S1000 minus 0, that will be 0.00001. So after the large value of n, the difference between the Sn value and the limit value is very less. This is the definition of limit of the sequence. Thank you.